Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your App Store region to South Korea. Before we begin, it's crucial to ensure you have no active subscriptions or any remaining store credit on your current account. You will also need a valid payment method and a physical address located within South Korea to complete this process successfully. This guide will walk you through each necessary step, making the transition smooth and straightforward for you. First, open the Settings application on your device. At the very top, you will see your name. Tap on it to access your Apple ID settings. Next, select the option labeled Media and Purchases, and then choose View Account. You will then be prompted to authenticate using your Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's passcode to securely access your account details and continue with the process. Once in your account settings, tap on Country or Region, and then select Change Country or Region. From the extensive list provided, carefully choose Republic of Korea. You will then need to review and agree to the new terms and conditions. After accepting, proceed to enter your valid Korean payment method details and a complete, accurate billing address within South Korea, including a local phone number. After successfully changing your region, be aware that some applications downloaded from your previous App Store might not function or receive updates. Any remaining App Store balance from your old region will unfortunately be lost, so it's best to spend it beforehand. If you encounter any persistent issues or have questions, do not hesitate to contact Apple support for personalized assistance. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.